皆さん、日本語コースへようこそ. Hello and welcome to this Japanese for Beginners course. This is your teacher Rosie, and I'm so excited to start this Japanese learning journey together with you. I have studied Japanese for over 6 years. I have studied, worked, and lived in Japan, so I have immersed myself into Japanese culture and Japanese language. And now that I'm working as a Japanese teacher, I am so happy to share my knowledge with other people and see their progress. So I hope that we can learn many new things together. So without further ado, let's get started. So what I would like us to start off with is the Japanese writing system. So what do we need to know about the Japanese writing system is...
Now, our main base of hiragana will be 5 vowels. A, I, u, o. So we have a, I, u, o. A, I, u, o. Okay, 5 vowels. Now, we need to also know the way how to write them, okay? So we need to know the stroke order. So I will show you the stroke order right now. So our first stroke would be a horizontal stroke, left to right. 1. Very good. Our second stroke would be 2. Very good. And our third stroke would be this curve. 3. So we have 1, 2, 3.